The world that we live in doesn't have to be the way it is. We make the mistake of thinking the status quo isn't just how things are, it's how things have to be. But that's not true. The status quo is just the water we swim in right now. And I say all this as someone who grew up in a $100 a month dilapidated farmhouse in Southwest Virginia. Someone who grew up poor and always thought they were going to be poor. Somebody who struggled with the fact that I didn't believe in a lot of the things that people around me did, that things like living your life for money didn't suit me. Those are things that made me feel broken for most of my life. I thought I was the one person that was wrong. And I struggled with that. I still struggle with that. But that commitment to a different set of values and a courage and being unafraid to share them has led to so many amazing things happening. So I would ask you to take away two things from this. Number one, that our belief in financial maximization as the be-all, end-all of the world is a belief. It's not an organic truth. It's not a fact of the world. It is how things are right now. But it's not permanent. There have been many reasons why societies have thrived and have pushed forward and reached new heights. Financial maximization is just one of them. So that will change. So don't hold on to that idea too tightly. Be open to the fact that we can evolve beyond that. And the second thing is how important it is to articulate those other values, those things that I think are probably unappreciated. You know in your heart how real they are. These are the things that our souls are made of. But in an organization and a professional environment, they can feel a little funny to talk about. They feel a little wishy-washy and maybe not right. But actually, putting teeth behind those things, making those things real, is critical. Or else we're just going to get sucked along the tide with everyone else. So if you have that ideal, if you have that clear destination, that sense of what to work towards, the world is wide open. When you have a destination, it's amazing how far you can go. This is something that's in all of our power. And I would encourage you to seize that and not be afraid of it.